Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort an Excel column. So let's open an Excel sheet. So let's say I want to sort this column. Well, then I will click on the right button and click on sort. I'll go to custom sort, and here you can see there are names of the columns. So I can sort by names, by marks, by obtained marks, by result. Let's click on the result option, and here you can see um, there is sort on value, cell color, font color, cell icon, etc. I'll click on values, and here the order has to be set, which is smallest to largest, largest to smallest, or you can make your custom list. So let's click on largest to smallest. So yeah, then click on OK. As you can see, the table is sorted as I have wanted to. So yeah, this is how you can sort an Excel column. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more future updates. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.